Combining agricultural use of farmland with renewable energy production by installing additional solar panels on these fields? A simple but brilliant idea that others came up way before I did. Agri-photovoltaics, as this technology is called, has already proven its potential for large-scale use and is contributing to the success of the energy transition. But doesn't agricultural production suffer from all these PV installations, or could it actually lead to additional benefits? I will answer these questions and more in today's video, so stay tuned and enjoy watching. Agri-photovoltaics. To meet the growing demand for food and energy on Earth simultaneously, agri-photovoltaics was developed, a solar technology that combines both needs. This technology enables land to be used for food production and sustainable electricity generation at the same time. Solar panels are installed above agricultural land in a way that allows sustainable electricity generation while minimally interfering with agricultural activities. This results in much more efficient use of available arable land. Additionally, the solar panels protect plants and soil from extreme weather events such as heat waves by providing shade, which can lead to higher crop yields. However, economic considerations are also crucial here, as additional costs arise from the specific requirements of installing these systems. Consequently, only large systems, or those with high-efficiency modules in sunny regions on high-value crops, tend to be economically viable in the long term. Nevertheless, interest in agri-photovoltaics has grown significantly worldwide since the early 2010s, and the number of agri-photovoltaic systems is steadily increasing. Thus, this technology represents an essential addition to a successful global energy transition while contributing to sustainable food production. Have you ever seen an agri-photovoltaic system in real life? Or do you think that this technology is still vastly underrated and that many more of these installations are needed to drive the energy transition forward? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, also make sure to check out our next one, where I will explain how you can produce solar energy in everyday life with simple gadgets like your backpack, for example. And don't miss out on our educational movie on 10 fascinating solar technologies which are shaping the energy transition, as solar energy is one of its key players. So, thank you for watching and see you next time.